Hi, welcome to the 3D Cityplanner. The automatic apartment generator is a powerful tool for creating all kinds of buildings within seconds. To start with this feature, you have to build a standard apartment building on a new or existing project plan and sub-area. After creating a project area, select an apartment type, for example, apartment block. Beware of using a realistic minimum depth and width. If the apartment is appointed, you can change the number of floors in the General tab of the Object Information menu. Then go to the Generate tab and select the Gallery option. In the Generate tab, you can choose different kinds of dwellings, the percentage of various apartment types, and the size of each type. Three main types are private for sale, private rent, and social rent. If you want to change the basic size of the minimum unit, you can use the Grid Size option, with choices ranging from 20 to 45 square meters. There are a lot of options to choose from: detached houses, semi-detached and attached houses, and mixed-use buildings. You can choose the percentage for each function in the menu. Use the Subarea context menu to change the shape, replace the whole shape, specific points, or add or remove points. After changing the shape of the subarea, new roads and dwellings will appear. In the plinth of the building, you can add other functions than dwellings, such as retail, office, storage, and public space. You can choose the size and the percentage of each feature. A gallery flat has an elevator plus staircase. By default, the system chooses outside the building. If you change this parameter to inside the building, then the access is inside the building, and the surface area that is needed for this feature is deducted from the area reserved for dwellings. If you wish to add more variation to the building's appearance, you can choose to add sections. Click on the Add Section button to add a new section. Per part, you can specify to add more or fewer floors. Beware that sometimes this section is not reachable with a staircase or elevator. With the automatic apartment generator, you can quickly create various buildings. Add balconies with the alternate side option, choose the empty space option, and pick between extend units, fill smaller units, or access/hallway. The underground parking option creates a parking garage under the building. You can select the number of parking layers to fit your needs. Use the Set Revenues per Feature menu for more control over financial parameters. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can automatically generate every type of apartment building you want. Thanks to the 3D Cityplanner software, you can save time and focus on other essential aspects of your projects. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more info, have a look at our help pages, YouTube channel, website, or send us an email.